You inherit a $500 million estate. Sounds like winning the lottery. It's not. It's one of the fastest ways to go broke. Because sometimes the richest looking assets are the worst investments. And Eddie Horniman is about to learn that. People see a massive estate and think power, prestige, old money. But they don't see the bills. The roof needs repairs. Staff salaries never stop. Taxes keep coming. Every year, money flows out while almost nothing comes in. So the estate that makes you look rich actually makes you poorer. This isn't just an aristocrat problem. People everywhere chase the look of wealth. Big houses, luxury watches, expensive lifestyles. But none of those things produce income. And without income, the illusion collapses. Eddie's brother Freddie proves it. Freddie treated the family name like an unlimited credit card. Borrowed, partied, spent until the bill arrived. £4 million in debt. And creditors don't care about legacy. To them, the estate isn't history, it's collateral. That's when Eddie sees the truth. The estate isn't a home, it's an asset. And assets must make money. If they don't, they destroy the owner. So Eddie breaks tradition. He leases hidden parts of the land to gray market industrial operations. For the first time in generations, the estate produces cash flow. The debt stops growing. The system finally works. And that's the real lesson. Prestige is temporary. Aesthetics are cheap. But cash flow keeps you alive. Because a mansion without income is just a very expensive illusion.